kuya na. Load ng hurt, babe. Kuya. Ito yung idodonate sa Salvation. Halos mga damit ko ang mga nandyan. Meron si Holly. Ito pala, dalawa. Itong dalawa kay Holly yan. And meron din kurtina. Meron mga bag, sapatos. And ito yata dito yung mga bags tsaka sapatos. So yan. The rest, mga damit ko na talaga. And madadagdagan pa yan kasi nga yung mga toys din i-sort out ko na rin kasi hindi naman talaga nila nilalaro yung mga toys. So, ipamimigay na rin natin yun. Sinintay ko lang si Jan kasi si Jan may work na. First day of work ni Jan ngayon. And yeah, idodonate na natin ang mga yan. So, ipop ko muna yung mga balloons. Sabi ng mga bata, tutulungan nila ako kasi dumating na si Jan from work. And ayun, nagkikik sila ng puti. So, ipop na natin to. Dito na si Holly. Tutulong daw siya mag-pop ng balloons. Tingnan nyo, ha? There's more there, Baba. Galing sila sa labas.
This one.
Naglalaro sila dun sa ano. Sa trampoline. You have to hold it, Baba. You have to hold the balloon.
Why?
Yeah.
But there's another one playing there.
Are you scared?
Okay, that's
You're done?
yes, this one. And I said, Mother's choice.
Yeah, I know that's yucky now.
Why? Okay,
Gusto niya mag-pop ng balloons. Hindi siya natatakot. Ang ginagamit niyang pang-pop is yung ano, yung T sa golf. Hurry up, Baba.
Hi. Which
Go get that one. All that one.
where?
Get all the balloons.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. It's so tight.
Huh?
So tight.
No, you have to remove Akina. Hold it. Hold. Hold this one. Hold. Hold this one. No. Okay, pull. Okay. Hold, 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 hold.
I said this one. Okay. But why is playing straight? Okay.
You have to hold the balloon. Okay, more.
This one?
Is it fun?
Yes, I like fun.
A lot of fun though.
There's more than here.
Yes.
See, Mom?
Okay na. Okay na.
They're playing the game.
Okay, pull again. Wrong. No, wait.
Pop it.
Wait, Baba.
Pop. It's pop.
Okay, Baba.
Stop playing. Okay, pop.
You have to hold the balloon, Baba. You have to hold the balloons.
Yes, Mommy.
You have to hold, Baba.
There's a one.
You have to hold.
Okay, another one like this. I will not hold it. Hold it?
Yes.
Oh, well, I just hold it. Shall we put this in the bin?
Yeah.
Hey. Oh, sweet. Mom, what has this line?
Yeah, hold that one.
But that's so clear.
Come on, hurry up.
Okay. Oh.
Ayun, may bag pa. Ilagay natin yan dun sa donation. More? There's more there, Baba.
Yeah.
Okay na.
That's purple. That's purple. That's purple. Mom, why does have? Okay. One. Two. Pop.
You have to hold. No, with that. And then pop. Yeah, like that. And then pop. You have to squish and then pop. Go squish. And pop. Okay.
Time.
It's alright. Do the bigger one.
Okay, let's be done. Pop. Pop. Okay, this one.
But there's more too over there. Okay,
Yeah.
pop that one first. And we're done popping the balloons. Okay, that one.
This one.
That one.
This one.
Yeah.
That's a thing. That's a thing. That's pink, the blue, and then blue. Okay. I have a puppet. Oh, come here.
Okay, well done, Baba. So now we're gonna clean up. Ayan, tapos na. So ngayon, gawin na natin yung mga toys. And eto, ilagay natin to dun sa, sa i-donate. Kasi okay pa tong bag na to.
Oh, Mom, this was for this.
Oh, that's for, another balloons, but that's for,
For that party.
yeah, for the party next time, okay? Okay. Boys na si Holly, iniwan na ako kasi andun na siya sa mga boys. Naglalaro kasi sila sa sa trampoline. So ngayon, yung mga toys naman. Meron pa dito naiwan si Holly na hindi na-pop. Nasaan yung aking toys? Okay. Ito ng mga toys. Ano dito ko? Ito ba? Ito. Nagkakalat lang to dito. So, ipamigay na natin ito.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. You make me because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you. So
Finally, tapos na ako maglinis dito sa kwarto ni Holly. And eto rin yung mga toys na idudonate. And eto yung, ano ni Sak, yung garage, ano ba to? Garage playset. Ayan, idudonate na natin yan kasi hindi niya na yan linalaro. And etong isa, eto yung, kinuha ni Sak. Naalala niyo yung nagawa kami ng challenge na I'll buy whatever you can carry. Ayan, idudonate na rin natin to kasi hindi na...
For the top.
Yeah, Hot Wheels. Hindi na rin kasi ito linalaro ni Sak. Ayan, oh, hindi ko manap yung box pero naka-assemble na yan. So, linagay ko na lang sa bag. So, i-donate na natin yan. And ayan si Holly.
That's
Oh.
cold.
Don't make a mess, ha?
Yeah.
And eto yung mga laruan ni Holly dito sa kitchen niya. Linagay ko sa mga ziplock. Eto, tulad dito. Yung pizza, nasa isang ziplock lang para mas organized. And eto yung mga cakes, cupcakes, cookies. And eto yung mga fruits and vegetables. Nasa isang ziplock din. And yung mga kaldero ni Holly, nagay ko rin sa ziplock para hindi siya naka-cluttered lang dyan. So, ayan. And eto, dito lang siya pag kasi nilalaro niya.
That's for the toys.
Yeah, that's for the toes. So, yan. Malinis na siya. Mukha na ulit siyang kwarto or playroom ni Holly. And eto yung coat. Eto yung coat ni TJ. So, 8 years old na to. So, hindi namin alam kung kanino namin ibibigay. So, basta sabi ko kay Jan, bukas alisin niya na yan. And yan na guys. Malinis na ulit. And eto, tatanggalin ko tong table pag na-donate na namin yan. So, idadagdag ko yan dun sa labas. So, dadami yung... So, ilalagay ko yung mga toys dito, oh. So, baka bukas, pwede na tong i-donate ni Jan. And, yeah, magluluto na ako. Actually, boys. You're gonna have hot dog and rice, okay? Okay? Steak ni Jan, luto na yan. Linagay ko lang sa oven para mainit. Maria, it's nice.
Oh wow, that's beautiful. Well done.
And I want you to move that tomorrow. What, kuya? Masaya na sila, oh. Malinis na yung playroom nila. And eto, ihugasan ko na to. Eto yung mga kutsara, tinidor. Hugasan ko na to para lagay na natin sa kusina. So, ayan. Okay. Tinatawag na ako ng mga alaga ko. Kakain na sila. So, yun na yung vlog natin for today, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Bye! Bye na, Papa!
Bye-bye.
Kuy!
Bye-bye.
Say good night!
Night. Bye.
Press.
open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.